Okay guys, so in this particular video I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade the MMXM sell model 1. Okay, if you've not watched the previous video on how to trade the MMXM buy model 1, please do want to go back to my previous videos and watch, okay, so that you can have an understanding of how it works. And if you're not good with knowing market structure and understanding how to apply it to your market analysis, do well to watch my previous videos also. So, but in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to trade the sell model 1 setup. Now, the first thing you have to do is ensure that on your H4 time frame, you are in a bearish market, you're in a downtrend. Very important, okay? Because we want to trade along the order flow from higher time frames. Okay, then you scale down to your 15 minutes time frame, which is your entry time frame, to watch out for your point of interest. We want to see price react from our supply zone. Okay, so the first thing I want to see is I want to see price break out from my Asian range, which is this, and give me a liquidity sweep right here. So we had market come sweep out this liquidity. Market came, attempted to, like, wanted to touch our supply zone but did not get to the level, so it retraced down to this area and finally broke out from this high, which was now our liquidity sweep zone. Okay, we had our liquidity sweep and price finally came and did what, and tapped into our supply zone. So once I see price tap into our supply zone, I don't enter immediately. Once I see price tap into the supply zone, after sweeping out liquidity, taking out liquidity right here, I want to see a change of character, okay, form. And we add our change of character form right here. As you can see, a clear change of character. So price came, okay, tapped into the supply zone and gave us our change of character and return to order block. Okay, so immediately I saw the change of character right here and return to order block, which you see right here. You enter your trade for a sell and you place your SL a little bit above the redefined order block. Okay, so that is it. And can you see the amazing risk to reward that you will most likely get? This particular one now was giving us a risk reward of 1:3.8, which is almost 1:4 RR. Okay, so this is a very good way to trade the market maker sell module 1. Okay, so let's dive in straight to our chart. Let me show you practical examples of trades that I took some few days back. Let's just go to our chart. Okay guys, so this is GPP JPY 15 minutes time frame. I took this trade, guys. I traded this particular setup. Okay, so the first thing I did was to ensure that we were in the downtrend from the 4 hours time frame. Okay, just ensure. It's very easy. When you get to your 4 hours time frame, once you see the market trending downwards, you watch out for a market maker sell module. Okay, so what I did was I now scaled down to my 15 minutes time frame, and I saw this strong order block that you see right here. So I spotted it out and I was waiting for price to come tap inside of it and react. Okay, can you see this strong order block that you see right here? So I spotted it out. So this right here is my Asian range. Okay, and I was waiting for price to give me a liquidity sweep. So right here was my liquidity sweep that happened. Remember I said it's liquidity sweep first, then price tap into your supply zone. So this was our liquidity sweep right here. Okay, can you see our clear liquidity sweep? Then this point here, price came, tapped into my supply zone. You don't do anything, you wait for a change of character. Where is our change of character? Now this point right here is our change of character. This is our change of character, guys. So you have to train your eyes well so that you can be able to spot it out by yourself. If you don't train your eyes well, you might not be able to spot it out by yourself. So that area there was our change of character, and this was the new order block that formed after price changed character to the downside. This right here was our new order block. Okay, as you can see. So this area that you see here, after this change of character, this bullish candle you see here was what sponsored this bearish movement that broke structure to the downside. Okay, so that's why I'm drawing my new order block from this point, which would be my entry candle. So immediately I spotted out my new order block, my redefined order block. This was where I entered for a sell, guys. This was a clean trade, entered for a sell, and I was targeting the most recent low, which was the Asian low right here, and my SL was just a little bit above 23 pips. Okay, I took this trade and it was smashed. TP was smashed. A very clean trade. Can you see? I was just risking 23 pips and my target was 92 pips. A risk reward ratio of 1 is to almost 4, 1 is to 3.92, and we smashed this trade, guys. Easy peasy. Let's look for another trade that I actually took. Let's just look for, let me show you guys another trade that I took, guys, using this particular setup. Let's look for another trade. This was not this one. There's another trade that I took. This was it, guys. This was it, guys. A very clean. Now let me show you guys the analysis for those that might not be able to get it. Let me do practically so that you can see. As you can see right here, first I ensured that I was on a downtrend on the higher time frame, and I spotted out what my supply zone. You spot out your supply zone and you wait for market to, for liquidity sweep to happen. So this was my liquidity sweep right here. As you can see, before, you see market attempted to tap the zone, but it did not tap it. It dropped down before finally tapping it. So this area you see here was my liquidity sweep, and that's why I mark it liquidity sweep. And price finally came, tapped into it, and gave me a change of character, guys. Where is my change of character? Some of you may ask. If you're not able to identify your change of character here, you might miss trades a lot. Now this is our change of character right here. You see this point here, the area where this low was taken was our change of character right there. That was our change of character right there, and the candle that sponsored it was the bullish candle that was above it. This particular bullish candle here was what sponsored the change of character. Yes, so that was our new redefined order block and my entry zone. So I entered immediately, price retested this particular zone, and I was targeting the Asian low, as you can see right here, and my SL was just a little bit above, just like that. So in this particular trade, I was risking 18 pips and I targeted 62 pips, which is the Asian low, and it gave me a risk to reward ratio of 1 is to 3.42. A very good risk to reward ratio of 1 is to 3.42. So can you see that those two setups alone, if I was on a prop account, I would have passed phase 1 so easily. Guys, you have to learn how to trade the MMXM buy and sell module. Is very easy, but you just have to train your eyes to be able to see them, because the market maker will not make it obvious for you, guys. So I am sure you got value from this video. If you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, click the like button, and drop your questions in the comment section, guys. So see you guys in the next video.